Welcome to Q&A Wire.
So in this question, as you see, a combined gas steam power cycle uses a simple gas turbine. This is to be considered here. It uses a simple gas turbine for topping cycle and simple Rankine cycle for the bottoming cycle, right? So which all turbine? Simple gas turbine and the Rankine cycle for the bottom cycle. So what does the cycle do? The cycle supplies a specified rate of heat to the building during winter. So what we have to find is the mass flow rate of air and the net power output. So here we have to see certain assumptions that are there. So four assumptions that go is that steady operating conditions exist. So first is steady operating conditions. Second is that all the air standard assumption for the Brayton cycle has to be done. Second, third one is the kinetic and the potential energies are negligible. We have to consider this negligible. And fourth, air is an ideal gas with constant specificity. So the properties of air at room temperature have to be given. So Cp is equal to 0.240 units, K equal to 1.4. We have taken this from table A2. So as you see, this is our cycle that we have with us. It's first increasing steam cycle and then it is decreasing. So the mass flow rate of water, that is MW equal to Q of building divided by H4 minus H1. H4 minus H1 we have. So we are putting the values here and we get the value to be 2495 units. So the mass flow rate of air then would be the mass flow rate of water divided by 0.09126, right? So we get it, we substituting this value here, we get 27,340 units. So the power output from each cycle we have to see, that is W net. Gas cycle is MA into WT out minus WC in. So this is MA into WT out becomes MACP T7 minus T8 minus MACP T6 minus T5. So putting all the value, we get 1062 kilowatts. Similarly, W net of steam cycle, this is for the gas cycle, right? So if you see the figure here, this is our gas cycle and this is our steam cycle. So this is for steam cycle that we have. Similarly, we get the value 224 kilowatt. So the net electricity production that we have here is, as you see, it is 1062 plus 224, which is 1286 kilowatts. So I hope you understood this question. Thank you.